The health benefits of broccolini. A nutritional powerhouse, broccolini, a vegetable that has gained popularity in recent years, is not just a culinary delight but also a nutritional powerhouse packed with numerous health benefits. A hybrid of broccoli and Chinese kale, Broccolini brassica oleracea var. Italica elbow glaber boasts a unique flavor profile that sets it apart from its parent vegetables. Its slender stalks, small florets, and mild, slightly peppery taste make it a versatile addition to various dishes. Beyond its culinary appeal, broccolini offers an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. Nutritional profile of broccolini. Broccolini is celebrated for its dense nutrient profile, making it a valuable addition to any diet. Here's a breakdown of its key nutritional components. Vitamins. Broccolini is rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A supports vision health and immune function, while vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, aiding in skin health and immune support. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Minerals. It contains essential minerals such as calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are vital for bone health, muscle function, and overall cellular metabolism. Fiber. As a good source of dietary fiber, broccolini supports digestive health, aids in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, and contributes to feelings of satiety, which can assist in weight management. Phytochemicals. Broccolini contains potent phytochemicals such as sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol, which have antioxidant properties and are believed to have protective effects against certain types of cancers. Health benefits of broccolini. 1. Cancer-fighting properties. Broccolini's high content of sulforaphane, a compound found in cruciferous vegetables, is linked to its potential cancer-fighting properties. Sulforaphane activates enzymes in the body that detoxify carcinogens and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Research suggests that regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables like broccolini may reduce the risk of various cancers, including prostate, breast, and colorectal cancers. 2. Heart health. A combination of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in broccolini contributes to cardiovascular health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while fiber aids in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene protect blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Bone health. Broccolini's rich vitamin K content plays a crucial role in bone health by supporting calcium absorption and promoting bone mineralization. Adequate vitamin K intake is associated with a reduced risk of fractures and osteoporosis. 4. Digestive health. With its high fiber content, broccolini supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also serves as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria that contribute to overall digestive well-being and immune function. 5. Immune support. Vitamins A and C, both abundant in broccolini, play essential roles in supporting immune function. Vitamin C enhances the production of white blood cells, which are vital for fighting infections, while vitamin A helps maintain the integrity of mucous membranes that serve as barriers to pathogens. 6. Weight management. The combination of fiber and low-calorie content makes broccolini a valuable food for weight management. Fiber promotes feelings of fullness and reduces calorie intake, while its low energy density means you can consume larger portions without consuming excessive calories. Incorporating broccolini into your diet. Broccolini's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes. Here are some delicious ways to enjoy its health benefits. Steamed or blanched. Serve broccolini as a simple side dish with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Stir-fried. Add broccolini to stir-fries with garlic, ginger, and your choice of protein for a quick and nutritious meal. Roasted. Toss broccolini with olive oil, garlic, and your favorite seasonings, then roast until tender and slightly caramelized. Salads include blanched broccolini in salads for added crunch and nutritional value. Pasta dishes incorporate broccolini into pasta dishes with cherry tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Conclusion: broccolini stands out not only for its distinctive flavor but also for its exceptional nutritional benefits. Whether you enjoy it steamed, stir-fried, roasted, or raw, incorporating broccolini into your diet provides a multitude of health advantages. From cancer-fighting properties to supporting heart and bone health, this vegetable offers a wide range of reasons to make it a regular part of your meals. By embracing the nutritional power of broccolini, you can enhance your overall well-being and enjoy its delicious taste in countless culinary creations.